Hello everyone, I'm so happy to announce from now on our videos will be in English and I hope you will like it. Our today's topic is about bookshelf styling. As you know, everyone have bookshelf or just normal shelves in their homes and people like to decorate, redecorate, or they like to try new stylings. That's why I thought this topic will be interesting and helpful for you. If you are ready, let's get started. So first thing we have to do is start with larger items. For example, like baskets or boxes or handmade baskets. Why? Because it's easy to come undone when you begin styling your shelf with big decorative items. And the most important thing is it will help you get the scale and balance and give you a basic layout so you will know places to put the books or other decorative things after the big item placements. So after you put the big items, second thing to bring an artwork. When I say artwork, of course it doesn't have to be expensive or the famous ones. You can put posters with frames is the best because you can easily swap and change the posters or prints as your mood or season. Or for example, if you want to change your whole shelf design, you can just print the new one and change it with old ones. Another important thing is consider placing artwork towards the back of the shelf and layer smaller decorative items in front. But it doesn't have to be full of small decorations. You can put one or two or just one normal sized souvenir like this. Also, you can use other small artworks, but it's important to keep the balance with your other decorative items. Third one is to mix up book placements. For example, it would be boring to put them in one position. That's why if you want to make it attractive, it's good to put them horizontally or vertically and aligning some stacks to the left, right, or center of a shelf. Or for example, if you want to use your shelf only for books, then it's fine to put them in one positions. But as I said, if you want something attractive inside your room, then it would be good to pay attention to your book placements. Of course, first when you will start putting them, it will look strange without any decorative items, but at the end you will see the differences when you will start putting other decorative items. Fourth one, to introduce decorative objects. For example, this could be pieces you have collected on your travels, treasured family heirlooms, or latest season homewares. This actually depends on your style. You could use almost anything as decoration accents. Just don't be afraid to play around with items. Sometimes it's the pieces you really don't think will work that will look great when you step back and look at the shelf as a whole thing. For example, for this shelf styling, they used minimalistic style. That's why, as you can see, there is nothing extra. They even for decorations, they use small items. And actually, when you look at the shelf overall, you can see that minimalistic style, minimalistic atmosphere. That's why before you start styling your shelf, decide which style you want to do and then start trying the small decorations or big decorations. It's just up to your creativity. Just don't be scared to use and try. Another one to add greeneries, and I think this one is the important one. As you know, indoor plants add a pop of life and have a stack of health benefits like improving air quality and even reducing blood pressure. Also, there is a lot of stylish and affordable pots that you can place your plants, for example, from bronze or concrete or from paper bag. It's just up to your design and up to your creativity. If you don't have real plants at home, then you can put artificial ones. They will give the same look. Just try not to put extra plants and keep the balance with other items. Let me add one more thing before I finish. Consider adding a vase of things, like fill a large vase or jar with an item. For example, here in this shelf styling, they filled the jar with light candles, as you can see, but you may use toys or anything that showcases your personality. Actually, everything is up to you. The options are endless. Just use your personality and add the items that you like. So last one, stand back and edit your shelf. As most interior stylists and designers will tell you, the most important step is to stand back and edit. For example, look at your shelf and ask yourself, is it too busy or bland? Do you need to inject some color or balance? Sometimes less is more, and embracing a little negative space can give the rest of your shelf styling room to breathe. That's why at the end, for the last time, stand back and look at your bookshelf again. Stand back and look at your bookshelf again. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it and decided how to make change. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and leave your comments. See you in next videos.